I am super excited because I finally got my AirPods Max in. Finally got them delivered the other day. So I got them in this blue color. I forget what the exact name of the color is. Let's see if we can find it. Here it is. It says sky blue right there, if that focuses. Well, it says sky blue there. And basically, these are very expensive headphones from Apple. A lot of, controversial things, I think, with this pair of headphones, but I'm excited to try them out and see how they work and how they feel and just to see what my first impressions are. So this is just an unboxing and a first impressions video of the AirPods Max. I've been waiting for a pair of headphones from Apple for a while, so this is really exciting to see. Okay, so I'm going to open it up here like this. Sorry, my AC just turned off, so it's a lot quieter now. Open that up. That. So you can see it's a pretty large box because the headphones don't actually fold. They only fold this way and they can be kept in this case, which I wasn't a huge fan of. It offers almost no protection and it looks a little weird, but I think that it's actually growing on me. I still think it's one of the dumbest designs that Apple has made, but I think it's just been so normalized now that I'm just kind of getting used to it. It's been a long time since these have been announced. All right, so here they are. Wow. Okay, let's put these to the side for a second and show you what's in the box. So literally, it should just be the headphones. I don't think anything else. Oh, we do get a cable here. It is, I think this should be lightning to lightning for charging that, just like the regular AirPods. And then here's our pamphlet that tells you, how to set them up. And you can actually see here, we'll go over the hardware in a second, I guess, but it basically gives you a quick start guide on how to do everything. The one thing I do like about it is that it has a physical button, which, to adjust volume and things like that, which my Sony's don't. I have the WH1000 XM3s. So not the newest generation, but the one before that. So here is the casing for it. So I guess this is the case, but it has this paper material on it. So take off the magnetic clasp, pull this out. Wow, oh, that's weird. Okay, let's put those aside for now. Let's take this plastic or paper off of the case somehow. Okay, comes out like that. There you go. That's actually kind of nice. This has it's a little sturdier in the back here, I guess, for support for the packaging. We don't need that. So yeah, I like the color a lot, but it's just a very flimsy, not a very durable sort of accessory. And the AirPods, I think, have to be in here to go into sleep mode. I think, I was reading some conflicting things about it. Maybe it goes to sleep on its own after a couple minutes of inactivity. And then when it's in here, it's in a low power mode. I don't remember exactly, but I think I will probably put them back in here when I'm done, every time I'm done using them. But it feels a little bit like it would be a hassle because you'd always open this up and close it instead of just turning it off with a power button like you do on other headphones. So we'll see how that works, but we can keep this aside for now. And then here are the AirPods themselves, AirPods Max. So they have these little cushions on them like that come off very nicely. We don't need that one. Or this one. So these definitely feel very heavy in the hand. Not super heavy, but heavier than other headphones because these are not made out of plastic, and I'm afraid of touching it to the counter because it'll actually scratch it, I think. This is the stainless steel. or maybe this is aluminum actually. But this is a very nice looking color, I think. One thing I don't like about the design, so let me just show you really quick, that if you hold it like this, they clank together like that, which is really, really frustrating actually. But anytime I want to put them back, they're gonna clank. So maybe I won't put them in the case. I'll have to see. Okay, so on the bottom here, you can already see the light turned on. So I think it's trying to connect to my phone that I'm recording with right now. But here is your lightning port for charging. And then you have the digital crown here for volume. And then I believe this is for noise canceling. So I think you have the 3 modes: transparency mode, noise canceling, and no noise canceling. I think so, but I'm not 100% sure. I have to try them out and actually see. So let me go grab my iPad. You're not going to hear anything except me vocalizing how these sound. I'll just give you quick first impressions, and then we'll wrap up this video really quick. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and put these headphones on and see if they connect automatically to my iPad. Wow. Okay, so right now I have the headphones on and I'm in transparency mode, and it is pretty incredible, I have to say. It sounds really nice. So let me switch over to wow, this transparency mode is like really incredible. Let me switch over to normal. Okay, so whoa, this is actually noise canceling mode, and it's kind of hard to hear my voice. Let me switch back. So this is back to transparency mode. I'm testing it again. And this is back to noise canceling. So I guess there is no normal mode. It feels like there's only transparency and then there's noise canceling. Okay, so I need to see why these are not connecting. Wow, I might actually have to read the instructions on how to connect this, because I'm not entirely sure why it's not connecting automatically. All right. So this is the first time for everything, I guess. Let's see what it says. Hold AirPods Max near your device for on-screen setup. I don't want this right now. Remind me later. Okay, hold AirPods Max next to device. Okay, let me hold it. Okay, well, it's not, so let's see what it says. If, press the noise control button until the light blinks white. In Bluetooth settings, choose AirPods Max. Okay, it says I only need to be like 2 centimeters. Let me try this. Okay, well, I finally got them to show up, so we click connect. Okay, it's connected. Press the noise control button to switch between noise cancellation and transparency. Okay, so press the digital crown once to play pause, twice to skip forward. Oh, sorry, you can't even read what that's saying. Oh no, I missed it. Twice to skip forward. Press the volume slider to view additional controls for noise cancellation and transparency. Oh, here in the settings, you can actually turn off noise cancellation and transparency mode if you don't want it to switch, if you want that option. So you don't, so like on the AirPods Pro, you can just have no noise cancellation, no transparency, just normal, putting in the earbuds. It's not going to actually turn on transparency mode. So you can have that there. Digital crown, you can change the directionality of that. Automatic head detection. Spatial audio. Ooh, let me see how spatial audio works. That's supposed to be cool. Oh, okay, I see. So spatial audio makes it feel like there's actually someone like right over there or right over there, like actually someone near you where the music is playing. Instead of just hearing it in the headphones, it feels like you can hear it a distance away. So that's pretty cool actually. But let's go back and let's listen to some music. So I wanted to listen to we'll do Castle in the Sky. So I guess you guys won't be listening to this. I'll just be listening to it. and I'm going to turn on noise cancellation. Wow, okay, so get to the main part here. All right, so first of all, I have this fridge running in the background that I guess is not, oh, there it is, I can hear it now. Yeah, there's this humming in the background, right, with these appliances that as soon as I turn on noise cancellation, I can't hear it at all. So that's incredibly impressive. Let me do that again. Okay, I can just hear faint, like, humming, but that's about it. So that's pretty cool. Oh, it's switching between on, off, and noise cancellation. I don't like actually that feature. We don't need it to go off. I think noise cancellation transparency is good enough. Anyway, sorry, a lot of blabbing, but basically, the sound is very good, for sure. It's very crisp, it's very clear. This is not a thorough testing or anything. This is just, an average guy's perspective on this. But the sound from Apple has never blown me away. Like in the HomePod Mini, in the AirPods, and in these AirPods Max, is always good. But it's not like, whoa, that sounds really good. Like I've had with other headphones. I think like the Bose headphones, usually to me, at least they sound like, I'm like, oh, wow, that actually, you can tell that there's a difference in the sound. These still sound great, but there's not like a super extraordinary wow factor to it. I think right now the best part about these is they sound good. Their noise cancellation is really impressive, and the ease of connectivity with your devices is obviously a huge plus. It's really annoying having to connect my Sonys to different devices. It's just a pain. With the XM4s, I think it's better, but with XM3s, you can only do one device at a time. It's just really a big pain. But anyway, I'm really enjoying these headphones so far. They're super expensive. I don't know if I'd recommend them to anyone. I don't think it's worth the price, but it's definitely fun, I think, for me to keep, and I'll keep testing them and exploring them to see how I like them. So this is going to be it. That's going to wrap up this video. I hope you guys liked it. Here's one more look at the AirPods if you wanted to see them. They look like, I really do dig the color. I think they look great in this color. So that's cool. I know the lighting is probably terrible, but they look good in person. So you can see them in a store or something. They were feeling a little bit uncomfortable though on my head after a little bit. So we'll see how long I can keep them on for. But yeah, if you wanted to see how the mechanics, how they adjust, you can, move this up and down, which is pretty satisfying to do actually. So that's nice. But yeah, that's enough of me blabbing and talking about these. Fun purchase. We'll see how they work out in the long term. Hope you guys liked it. Let me know if you have a pair of these and what you think of them. But that's going to wrap up this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.